Hello. So I'm here today to show you the Helen's Closet Falconer pants. Do you know how hard it is to get my head and my feet in? It's quite hard. I'm only short. So today I'm here to show you the Helen's Closet Falconer pants. So I'm really quite impressed with these as a trouser. They're a real kind of gateway to jeans, I would suggest, as well. They've got a lot of the elements of jeans without being kind of as hard as making a pair of jeans. It is really tricky for me to get a full length shot of the whole of the trousers. Just trying to show you a little bit of movement. So I've done the barrel leg. And yeah, they work nicely. I've had them on all day today, which is why they're perhaps a little bit creased. I graded in at the waistband and did a little scoop of the crotch, but other than that, I haven't done much pattern alterations. These are a part of our capsule wardrobe for January through to March. So I'm just going to go and change into my January Cielo top and show you the beginnings of the capsule wardrobe coming together. So let's imagine spring has sprung, and it's a lovely balmy kind of spring day. So they just feel so nice and relaxed like this. I've got my little matching blue Menorca sandals on. It's a gorgeous sunny day, maybe in late spring with the footwear, but they just feel great. The top, I think, just works so nicely. The length of the top finishing just at the waistband. Yeah, I'm really happy with this as the starting combo in our capsule wardrobe. So I don't think the barrel leg is too extreme, but I think they just give a nice proportion, a nice look. They just feel free and easy as a trouser. I'm definitely going to make more versions of these, so I look forward to seeing all your versions in the Love and Stitches Club really soon.